Hello everyone, it's Christy from Christy's Beautiful Life, and I am in my new scrap space in my house. So we're gonna see how this recording works out. But I am here to share with you finally my kit. So this is all the way back from Creative Asian. I had asked Christina for a kit based on all of that stuff. I'm just gonna shut my window here. People running. And yeah, I'm so excited. So it's a complete surprise. I have no idea what's in it. The only one thing I really requested was the chipboard from Maggie Holmes. Other than that, it's kind of an exciting thing. I do know my mom said I get everything shipped to my parents in the States because it's cheaper than shipping it to Canada. There's a package of stuff that's missing. So it's missing a little bit of goodies, but we're just gonna go ahead and go with it. And excuse me, let me get the bag open so I can talk here. I really want to play with the supplies this weekend because it's the Secret Not Secret Kit Club party and it's the long weekend one. So I want to get this recorded so I can get playing. So there's that. I did get some sequins from Jody, so that's a little bit different. But okay. Here we go. So first of all, she sent me a mixed media, and it is the Vicky Bouton, the mixed media watercolor markers, which is perfect for this weekend because my challenge team, we are using this in our Grab 5. So this is being put aside so I can use it for my Grab 5 right away. She sent me these really cool, they're called wishing bubbles. They're from 49th and Market, and they've got a purple color to them. So I really love those. I think those are so cool. So I got those. A nice big package of pea pod parts from Jelly Bean Soup. And there's 85 pieces in here. Oh, and look how cute. Can you see that? There is a little hedgehog. I'm really digging the hedgehogs. Pineapple, rainbows, a bunch of little sayings. This is awesome. This is so up my alley. I love that. Ah, the florals from Horizon. So this is exciting for me because I did not get Horizon from Paige. So I definitely did not receive those florals. So I am really excited about that. That is so me. She knows me very well. That's awesome. Ooh, the entire sticker book from Chamel. So that's pretty cool. And again, I'm gonna put this aside here because another one of our must-haves in my Grab 5 team is washi tape. So I'm gonna just put that aside. But so a little bit of Sparkle City. And in this kit, basically it is like a big mumble jumble of just the best stuff that she thought I'd love. So there's not gonna be like a theme to it. It's more just like all of the things she thought I'd really, really, really love. So I have to say I'm so excited about this because I actually bought this in my paper issues kind of haul, but they're so pretty and I know I can use them again. So I got 2 of them and I'm kind of freaking out and I love them and I'm excited. And this alpha, oh my gosh, do you not love this alpha foam? Pink, perfect for Nora. And then this I received as well because I bought the Alta New collection from her. This is from the Live Your Dreams. So, and these are like the perfect alpha. So I'm very excited. They're black, perfect, smaller. So this is absolutely fabulous to add to my collection. Okay, so, and like I said, there is one pack of missing. My mom said they looked like they were ephemera, like leaf type things. So that is missing. There's an ephemera pack missing. I believe I asked for a $45 kit. Maybe 50. Maybe 50. I'm not sure. With the Canadian exchange, sometimes I forget. So it's nice, just a nice little taste of Creative Asian from beginning of the year because now it's, you know, we're already into all the new collections because I'm so slow. Let's see. So paper-wise, she gave me the special all heart foiled. Beautiful paper. This one's kind of cool because there is a back B-side to it. I guess they have started to do that with their specialty paper. So really neat. Oh, this is beautiful. I see a Nora layout. So some Sparkle City from Chamel. I probably would not use this. I might like cut out one of these You've Got This, but other than that, it will totally be used for that side. And ooh, this is beautiful. So this is also the Sparkle City. I love that. And the yellow, so I like both sides. You might see a bit of both show up. And oh, that's so pretty. So it just says the one that says wonderful on it, and the kind of like rainbow effect there. And then a nice like teal. So this would be fun for a boy spread. You might see both sides there. Ooh, this is so crepe paper, and is it sunny? So this is Sunny Days. This is a fun rainbowy, like, oh, I love this. So I really love that side, and I really like that side. So definitely will be using both sides of this. I love Sunny Day collection. It's really pretty. I didn't want the whole collection, so I'm excited that I'm just getting a little taste of it. I am excited she gave me this sheet though, because I am totally gonna fussy cut out these words and use them on my layout, and maybe just use a tiny little bit of this for a summer layout with watermelon there. And I finally get the umbrella one that everyone's been using and making all these beautiful layouts with, and now I get to as well. So this is awesome. And that's the back side, just the polka dot there. And then of course the chipboard that I had requested. So I am so excited to get playing with it, and it has been sitting at my parents'. Christina sent this way back in the spring, but my my parents have been very, very busy, and I have not seen them. So I literally, like, I received this today, and it's June 27th. I think this came May, middle of May, so I've been waiting. But yes, my beautiful, beautiful kit from Christina. I absolutely adore it. Excuse me, I need to cough. You should be seeing some stuff come up with it fairly soon. I'm participating in the scrap weekend. I'm not sure if I'm gonna film it or not, so you might get a layout share from me coming up next week. And I'm a little bit behind on my videos, so I hope to hopefully get caught up within the first 2 weeks of July. All right, guys. Oh my goodness. And these alone, like, oh, so worth the money. So, so worth the money. If you have not done Secret Not Secret Kit Club, really, really think about it. It is a neat club, and not even just the product that you get from her, but the community that surrounds it. It's, I mean, even if you got like a $10 kit, you get to be a part of the community. So you could think about it like, that's something you could think about. It's redefinedcreative.com. Everything's there for you. You could just message Christina. She would be more than happy to explain any questions you have. And yeah, it's really worth your money. So think about it if you have been kind of on the sidelines about it. And I'm really, really excited. This is my 2019 Creativation surprise kit that I'm going to dig into. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.